Oh shit. Hold up. Oh. Welcome to the daily recap. It's the 20th, 20th? The 20th. 20th of December. No trades for me today. Stayed patiently, stayed patient, and waited patiently. Um, nah, nah, there's not much. Let's just see what price did today. Mm-hmm. All right. So we had our previous daily low, we had our previous daily high, then coming into, oh my bad, just had a banger of a meal, noodles with chicken. So coming into early or actually late Asia, pre-Frankfurt open, take Asia lows. Price respects this order block from New York. Then what can we see? Price comes up. Then gets the early sellers over here. There's no entry here. Well, actually, if we go down before we go up here, we can see that there's like a sort of entry, so to say, but nothing that fits my trading plan. You can see price took these lows, then give a high, low, lower high, lower low, early buyers. It fits the drill, but just not the area. And like, no, the place is just shit. So early buyers taken out. Then what can we see if we zoom in further? We get the bullish break structure. And then we respect this this wick area over here. I don't know, not really something. Let's say you will enter from there. Menu entry 3.5, 3.6, 1 to 5. Targeting this internal high. There, 1 to 5, right? Yeah. But anything else in that, you get some order flow trades, but the POIs or the order blocks it reacted from is shit as well. Now clean. Then price came to the extreme of the Asian range. And we can see liquidity building up. We got early sellers, then fake move. That's a nice move, but like, why would you enter here? Because why would you enter there? We didn't reach the discount yet or the premium yet of this bearish range. See, when we were here, this wasn't this premium. So we took Asia low. Yes, we built up a previous daily lows over here, but we took Asia low. So low been taken. One side of the liquidity been taken. So now we can target the other side of liquidity, which is the buy side liquidity or sell side. I don't know how it works. Forgot. But so really we took Asia low. So Asia high was our next target. Could look for a sell here, but yeah. No, not really. If anything, it does respect bearish order flow. That's maybe a reason that you would sell there. Because we got this going on. So we got oh, one high, low, lower high, lower low, potential lower high. The price is building up here, and we can see the price is doing this. So we got the trend line liquidity, and then you could say like, okay, potential new lower. This is potential new lower high. Coming back to the extreme after this internal minor break of this structure. So high, low, lower high, lower low, bullish break, bearish break, and then This is your extreme to target these two lows. Then looking at it from that perspective, yes, it makes sense to sell there. But from a liquidity perspective, in line with the overall range from this high to this low, it doesn't make sense to sell there. Why? Because we didn't reach the premium yet. And if we go, if we zoom in there, I don't know, this is our early sellers. We have our 5-minute POI over here. Let's use the 5-minute just because we don't use 1-minute POIs, but only for entry. So 5-minute POI, tapped in. Early sellers taken out. And then low, high, and this is not even a low that led to a new high. So really we wait for this one to break. So it's just a minor break. It's a break. And there you have your entry. Short. 38, 35. And this is like a clean trade though. It's a nice trade. Just outside of my trading time and not the cleanest in terms of the structure break and the area. It's not a high probability area, in my opinion. So yeah, this is a possible trade. It has the entry drill, but the area is shit. So same with this one. If you can see it over here. See that it's just a random place in price where the entry drill presented itself. Then okay, so what do we have now? We have price is engineered liquidity at the Asia highs. Let's remove this. Okay, nice trade, but okay. Let's remove this. So price engineered liquidity at Asia highs. Didn't take Asia high yet. Then daily cycle wise, what happens? Asia pushes price down low, take Asia low, then London pushes price up. Pre-New York delivers a more discount, aka lower price for the New York traders to buy, so cheaper price. And then either we zoom out or we zoom further in. Okay, there's nothing there. So I don't know where it reacted from. 2-minute. Well, 3-minute. Oh, it's still crypto. Huh. Um, what's that work? 4-minute, 5-minute, 6-minute, 7-minute, 8-minute, 8-minute. I think it's 8-minute. 9-minute maybe. Anyway, price reacted for something over here. What can we see? Price comes up. Then on the let's go on the 1-minute first. This is our last area of bearish order flow. Last area of bearish order flow taken out. And then price comes down. Reacts on something over here. Continues up. AKA shit price action. Then order flow trade over here. Order flow trades over here. Then what do we see here? So now we don't have early sellers. Nowhere. Yeah, over here, but that's too far away. But what we do have is this bearish break. That's the wrong candle. So bearish break of structure after we took previous daily highs. So no, yeah, we did, right? Why did it move? So daily cycle wise, we took Asia lows. What we said, long and push the price higher, engineered liquidity at Asia highs, didn't take it yet. So we can maybe draw like this trend line kind of thing over here. Or we draw it like a channel. Or if you want to do it, I don't use a channel. I would do it like this. So engineering liquidity, price coming down, didn't take any, like, yeah, took some internal lows here. Cheaper price for New York, and then up for the New York traders, taking Asia highs, taking previous daily highs. So previous daily highs taken. Then going down lower, we got the break structure, no early sellers. We got the we got the entry over here from this 1 minute block, short trade, and we got the direct entry, which would end up in a break even trade or a reduced stop loss. I think a reduced stop loss. So 5.5 reading room, something like this. Then we get the bearish break again. So we reduce our stop loss and the price comes back, takes out our trade, and it continues bearish. So you can also like keep your trade open. And then this is your liquidity before the entry. This is your short. But trading time wise, it's outside of my time as well. And it's just not clean at all. Because there is no early sellers. So yeah, nice daily cycle. We took Asia lows, engineered liquidity for Asia highs, gave a cheaper price for New York. Then New York bought price higher up into the Asia high, and we took Asia low. Then price came up, engineered liquidity for Asia highs. Then price came back down for during pre-New York for cheaper price for the New York traders. Then New York traders bought price back up, taking Asia highs, taking previous daily highs. We now reached the deep disc, or we now tapped into the premium of this range. And we took out these internal high and this internal high. And we see now a turnaround in price after we took previous daily highs in Asia high, like a huge wick on the 1 hour time frame, and potentially price can now continue down. We're engineering liquidity to the downside from this trend line and these relative equals liquidity. So to make it more clean, we can do it like this. Take that off. Let's be taken. Yeah, that's it for today. Not much to talk about. What can we see on the daily? What do the candles look like? Impulse down, but sellers are in control over here. Huge wicks to the upside, but also nothing strong to the downside yet. We still have this bullish range. This light blue structure as well. However, I feel like this one will hold on. If anything, based on that light blue structure, we can look for buys. Well, down here, what happened? But just shit. So yeah, not much. So today's recap. What did we wait? What did we talk about? So we talked about the daily cycle. We talked about let's see about like buyer stepping in here, candle momentum. Let's talk about candles. Then seller stepping in here. We took some internal range liquidity. You can see the wick forming. Then buyers stepping in with no sellers at all. And after we took these highs, buyers or sellers stepped in, leaving this wick behind. And now we can see this strong, for now, strong bearish candle, or at least stronger than this one and this one. Overall, we still got the news lows over here, which we might be able to target. We got this trend line over here. We have this overall low up to high over there. So yeah, let's see. It's not the cleanest. Also got some work to do tomorrow. So I don't know. We'll be trading in the morning, but doing work on the side. I hope PA will be moving tonight and give us some like clean PA. The price ranges to work with. If not, I'll just wait. Let's end this year with a banger, but if price is not banging, we can't end this year with a banger. This was today's recap. We spoke about liquidity, we spoke about the candles, we spoke about the structure. Its most recent structure, so it's no need to talk about all this. Talk about candle formations. Is there anything on the 4 hour that tells us not on the 4 hour it's messy as happens still? Liquidity, this range, structure, momentum. Yeah, we talked about everything. All right, this was today's recap. Not much, sorry. Peace out.